Welcome to a magical winter evening in a stunning Swiss village. Tonight, I'll take you on a peaceful walk through snow-covered streets, surrounded by cozy chalets, glowing lights, and the breathtaking beauty of the Alps. This is more than just a walk. It's your chance to escape into the charm and tranquility of a luxurious Swiss resort. Let's explore together. Magical evening walk through a beautiful Swiss village. I hope you felt the charm, tranquility, and beauty of this winter wonderland. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures like this. See you in the next video.